Marketing your database with video is the fastest, most easiest way to build a personal brand and start attracting a lot of referrals. I'm about to show you why. Hello and welcome to another episode of Brand New. I'm Mike Cuevas, the real estate marketing dude, and on this video I'm going to walk you through how to market your database with video so that you can start attracting a lot of referrals. Video is one of the fastest ways to grow a strong personal brand, but if you're not putting your video content in front of the right audience, then what the hell is the point? The first place you want to start with is how to figure out what your right audience is. And the right audience is, folks, your database. Your database consists of the people that you know or know of, or basically anyone that you log onto Facebook and found out that I sold them a house, not you. If you have that sort of knife in your feeling type of feeling when you hear that, well, then that person needs to be part of your database. And I don't want you to overthink this. Your database can become anyone from past clients, classmates in college, neighbors, aunts, uncles, family members, best friends, and yes, even your dentist and maybe the florist down the street. It is anybody that you would expect to refer or do business with you directly, period. Now, the reason identifying these people in your life is so important is because the people close to you are responsible for the vast majority of real estate agents' business. And the ones that are very, very close to you can become sometimes the biggest disappointments, but they could also be the biggest asset if you know how to market your database in the right way and consistently remind them that you're in real estate. So what we're going to do is walk you through a really quick exercise and take you through the 3 steps so that you know exactly how to update your database and how to market them, especially with video. Step 1 is you need to download and export your database from wherever it's at. And yes, you have a database, we all do. The cell phone I'm shooting this video on, as a matter of fact, has hundreds and maybe even over 1,000 different cell phone numbers, lots of email addresses. And the people that are in my cell phone are not just a bunch of strangers, they're people I personally know that I would expect to be referred to or used directly for my services if I were in real estate. So you have to look at everybody the exact same way. Each relationship you have in life is worth something because it's not a matter of if they're going to move, it's a matter of when. And that will be different based upon every geographic area in the country. Now, your cell phone is a really good place to start because you can go ahead and start exporting all of the different contacts from your cell phone very easily. There's a lot of these different types of apps that'll export that data into a CSV file spreadsheet. The second place I recommend exporting data from is going to be whatever CRM you're already using, because if you've been an agent in business for some length of time, you probably already have somewhat of a database, which is a good starting point. But that doesn't mean you have all of them. Step 2, now once I have all of my cell phone numbers and email addresses identified into a CSV file spreadsheet, I can go and log into Facebook into the Ads Manager section, and I can update and upload these audiences as a custom audience. Now, the reason why this is so important is that Facebook says we can go ahead and create a custom audience out of people whose emails and or cell phone numbers we have. And most of those you already have information for. So by uploading them as a custom audience in the Ads Manager on the back end of Facebook, what you're going to be able to do is start targeting them as well. Now, one of the things that Facebook has just been so annoying with lately has been the special ads category. And if you're a real estate agent, you're being very frustrated by trying to run ads that just keep getting denied. And unfortunately, it doesn't look like there's going to be anything we can do for that. So making sure that you have an audience dedicated to your database is so important for Facebook, because remember that same audience can also get sent to Instagram too when you start running ads in the future. Step 3 is to now upload your email list into a video email-like software. Now, what you're going to want to do is take all of your email addresses and simply upload them to a software such as BombBomb, for example. We have one called Suite Assist that'll be coming out very soon. You may like to use as well to market your database. But there's a lot of video email services out there. And what we see with video email is just way higher engagement, way higher open rates. So you're going to want to upload that email list into a BombBomb or to a video email type system, and then you are ready to start marketing them. Now, the final step is just to get out there and start creating videos. But the key is that every time you create a video, make sure you video email your entire database, and also make sure that you take that video and apply it to your social media platforms. That is Instagram, your Facebook, and your Facebook business. Now, when you're done posting the videos, very important, we highly recommend run ads to your Facebook custom audience of your database and see how much more attention you get. And that's it. Learning how to market your database with video through Instagram, Facebook, and video email is very effective. Because at the end of the day, it's not so much about saying, hey, buy or sell. It's about saying, hey, don't forget I exist, and using video content as a way to nurture the relationship you have with your audience. I really hope this video helped clear that up, and if you have any additional questions for us, please go ahead and submit them or comment around the video here. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like the information you saw. My name is Mike Cuevas, the Real Estate Marketing Dude, and I look forward to seeing you on another video. Peace!